Using Google Tasks is a great way to stay organized. On mobile, just open the app and click Add a New Task. When adding a new task from Gmail, click on the three dots and click Add Task, and the Tasks sidebar will open in Gmail, and then click Add Task. And you can, from there, you can edit the title of the task, and you can add details, and you can add a date. To use tasks on the web, you need to do a Google search for it, and it will bring you into this older app, and then click New Task and add your task. From there, you can go to Edit Details, and you can change the due date, or you can add notes. You can also move it to a list at the bottom. After adding a task, it'll show up in Gmail on the sidebar automatically.